If you want to accelerate your business growth on LinkedIn, then this is day number 5 of the 6-step E-Expert formula for LinkedIn success. Now, if you haven't watched the previous videos, go back and check those out. They're only about a minute or two long. But today we're talking about the 5th E in the E-Expert formula for LinkedIn success. And the 5th E is educate and engage your market. People have to see that you know what you're doing. They have to see what you're all about. And so you want to build the know, like, and trust by educating your audience on your process, on your business, on the problems that you solve and how you solve them. And then when people respond, you want to engage with them. And this is where you want to move those people into a conversation. You want to get into a conversation because we know the sales are made in the conversation. So educate your audience, engage with them, and move them into action to get into a conversation with them. And tomorrow, I'll talk about what's next. If you want help growing your business on LinkedIn or accelerating your success on LinkedIn, maybe you're not getting the results that you would like, reach out to me at Carden.com and let's talk about how we can work together to make this happen. I have built an incredible business using LinkedIn, and my clients have as well. So let's help you have more success. Go to Carden.com, book a call, or I'll see you tomorrow. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.